Greetings! Today I'll show you how to repair Bose on-ear headphones which have a ruined speaker. This job requires the basic DIY tool set, soldering iron, hot glue and a replacement speaker. Sadly, Bose doesn't offer replacement speakers, so you'll have to find an alternative. For this video I used Beats Studio speaker, which is very similar. Of course, if you want to achieve the best possible outcome, you should change both of the speakers. Start by removing the ear pad. This doesn't require any tools, so just pull it off. Then unscrew the corpus. It looks like the speaker has a glued-on cap. Simplest way to remove it is by heating the glue with a hairdryer and then gently pulling it off, since you'll probably want to put it back on once you're finished. The speaker is set in some kind of a plastic bracket. You can use the same method as before to separate the speaker from the bracket. Afterwards, solder off the wires from the old speaker and put the new speaker in its place. Remember not to get the polarities mixed up. Set everything back as it was and use glue to ensure everything holds together. If you are actually thinking about changing the speaker, be 100% sure that the speaker is at fault and not the plug or the device which plays the sound, because you might save yourself a couple of dollars if you just tinker about. Thanks for watching, and until next time.